Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to help you troubleshoot some common issues with the Sparoom Diffuser. If your diffuser isn't working as expected, maybe it is not turning on or it is not diffusing properly, do not worry. In this video, I will walk you through some simple steps to get it back in action. Step 1. Check the power supply. First, let's make sure your diffuser is properly powered. Sometimes it is as simple as a loose connection. Start by checking if the power cord is securely plugged into both the diffuser and the wall socket. If it's plugged in but the diffuser is still not turning on, try a different outlet. It is possible that the outlet you are using isn't working, so testing it on a second outlet is a quick way to check. If the diffuser still doesn't work, try using a different adapter if you have one available. Sometimes the adapter can be faulty and switching it out might solve the problem. Step 2. Check the water level. Next, let us check the water level. If there is too little or too much water in the tank, your diffuser may not work properly. Make sure the water level is between minimum and maximum fill lines. Also remember not to overfill the tank. Overfilling can cause the diffuser to stop producing mist. If you have hard water or there is residue buildup inside the tank, it is a good idea to clean the tank out first before filling it again. Sometimes debris can block the diffuser from working. Step 3. Clean the diffuser. If your spare room diffuser is still not working, cleaning it might do the trick. Sometimes essential oils and water can leave residue inside the ultrasonic plate. The ultrasonic plate is the part of the diffuser that turns water and oil into mist. To clean it, use a soft cloth or a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to wipe down the plate and remove any debris. Step 4 is to reset your diffuser. If you have tried the previous steps and your diffuser still isn't working, then try resetting it. First, turn off the diffuser and unplug it. Wait for about 5 minutes. After that, plug it back in and turn it on again. Sometimes a quick reset is all it needs to work again. Step 5 is to check for physical damage. Lastly, take a close look at the diffuser for any physical damage. Sometimes parts like the ultrasonic blade, fans or buttons might wear out. If you notice any cracks, broken pieces or other signs of wear and tear, it might be time to replace the unit or contact the customer support. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.